In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Roblox gift cards on Amazon. The process is very simple, and Amazon gives you a few options depending on whether you want a digital code delivered quickly or a physical gift card shipped to an address. Start by opening Amazon on your phone, tablet, or computer. Once you are on the Amazon website or app, sign into your account. Make sure you are using the correct account before you continue, especially if you have more than one Amazon login. Being signed in first helps make checkout faster and also lets you view the gift card options available to your account and region. After you are signed in, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type Roblox gift card. Then review the search results carefully. You will usually see both digital and physical Roblox gift card options. A digital gift card is usually the fastest choice because the code is often delivered electronically after purchase. A physical gift card is a better option if you want something tangible to give as a present. Next, choose the Roblox gift card that fits what you need. Amazon often offers several values and Robux-related amounts, so take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct version. Read the listing title and product details carefully, so you know whether you are buying a digital code or a mailed card. This can help you avoid confusion during checkout. Once you have selected the card you want, continue through Amazon's normal purchase process. Before placing the order, it is a good idea to double-check the gift card type and value one more time. That extra review can help prevent mistakes, especially if you are buying the card for someone else. After you complete your purchase, the final step is redeeming the Roblox gift card. To do that, go to the official Roblox redemption page, sign into your Roblox account, enter the gift card code, and then click Redeem. Be careful when typing the code so that every character is entered correctly. If you received a physical card, the code will be printed on the card. If you bought a digital version, the code will be provided to Amazon after purchase. That covers everything you need to know.